Hello student, in part 1 we studied about unit and measurement of fundamental quantities and their derived quantities, system of units and supplementary unit. Now in this session we will study list of conventions and measurement of length, diameter, mass, time. So let's begin with list of conventions followed while using SI unit. List of conventions followed using SI unit. Point number 1. Unit of every physical quantity should be represented by its symbols. Example kg, second, meter, Kelvin. Second point. Full name of unit always start with smaller letter. Example Newton, Joule. Third point. Symbols for units do not take plural form. Example 25 meter, not 25 meters. Point number 4. Symbols for unit do not contain any full stop at the end. Example kg, not kg dot. Point number 5. The units of physical quantities in numerator and denominator should be written as one ratio. Example acceleration meter per second square or meter second raised to power minus 2. Point number 6. Use combination of units and symbols. Example joule per kg Kelvin is correct while joule per kg Kelvin is not correct. So next we will see measurement of length. As we know, SI unit of length is meter. By definition of a meter, yes, it is the length of path travelled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 upon 299,792,458 of a second. Here 299,792,458 is the speed of light, that is approximately 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. For small length we use an instrument called vernier caliper which has least count of 0.1 mm. Then what is least count? It is the smallest measurement that can be taken by measuring instrument. For example, consider a scale 15 centimeter long. Here in 1 centimeter there are 10 divisions. Therefore its least count is 1 by 10 centimeter, that is 1 mm. Now since for astronomical distances like the distance of moon, star or any other planet from earth we cannot use measuring scale or tapes. तो अब देखते हैं कि ऐसे डिस्टेंसेस को कैसे मेजर करते हैं. मेथड टू डिटरमाइन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए प्लैनेट फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस बाय पैरेलैक्स मेथड. तो व्हाट इज पैरेलैक्स? Parallax is defined as the apparent change in position of an object due to change in position of observer. For example, hold a pen at one hand distance. Now if you look at the pen with your right eye and left eye closed, again if you look at the pen with your left eye and the right eye closed, the position of pen appears to be changed. This is called parallax. What is parallax angle? Angle between the two directions along which a star or a planet is viewed at the 2 points of observation is called parallax angle. From figure, E1 and E2. E1 and E2 are the 2 points which is large distances apart on the surface of earth. S is the planet where E1s equals to d, that is the distance between planet and earth. From figure, tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta equals to b by d. As theta is very small, therefore theta equals to b by d. E1 and E2, 2 points of observation. Now to determine distance, that is length d. Point 1. Parallax method is used to determine distance, that is length d. point number 2, the planet should be visible from E1 and E2. Here E1 and E2 are the 2 points on the earth surface. Distance between E1 and E2 equals to B. Theta is parallax angle. D, distance of planet from earth. E1 E2 equals to B, separation between 2 points of observation. Since B is very less than D, we can take E1 E2 to be the arc length. Therefore theta equals to B by D or D equals to B by theta. Similarly, we can determine the diameter of a planet. To determine the diameter of a planet, two diametrically opposite points of the planet are viewed from the same observatory. Here A is the observatory and M and N are the two diametrically opposite points. A is observatory. D, earth to planet distance. Earth to planet distance. Small d, diameter of planet. Small d, diameter of planet. Alpha, angular size of planet. Here alpha is the angular size of the planet. From figure, alpha equals to D by capital D or small d equals to alpha into capital D. Hence, having determined D and measuring alpha, we can determine the diameter D of the planet. Now we will see measurement of next fundamental quantity, that is mass. SI unit of mass is kg. According to the new definition of 1 kg introduced on 20 May 2090, definition of 1 kg, it is defined as taking the fixed numerical value of Planck constant h equals to 6.626001015 into 10 raised to or minus 34 joule second, which is equal to kg meter square per second, where meter and second are defined in terms of c, that is speed of light, and nu cs, that is nu cs frequency of cesium. This value of Planck constant was determined with a Kibble balance, though the actual derivation of this value is beyond the scope of class 11th. Second point, on atomic scale unit, AMU, atomic mass unit, 1 AMU equals to 1/12 of mass of C12. Now we will see measurement of next fundamental quantity, that is time. SI unit second. Time is measured by atomic clock. Atomic clock is based upon periodic vibrations of cesium atom. 1 second is taken as time needed for 91926317770 vibrations of cesium 133 atom.